Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I've been going for a very long time. For those who are curious, this channel is focused on my personal collection. I open up these packages in chronological order from when I bought them, and most of these packages are from eBay, from box breaks I've participated in the past, and some of them are from Whatnot. And without further ado, I already opened this one. I already opened up the package on this one, so before I started recording. So this is a box break I got into, and it looks like this. I think it was a team break, and I got the Padres apparently. So let's see what these commons look like. All right, Mackenzie Gore. Mackenzie Gore's here. Obviously, I only picked one team. So let's go. I was big on Mackenzie Gore and CJ Abrams. Ironically, they both got traded to Washington. Okay, got a Manny Machado. This package is from like 2023, so I actually have no idea. I think these are just some commons. I don't want to waste your time with that. I like to make short videos. These are both numbered. Let's see, True Blues out of 199. Wow. A package within a package. Here we go. Okay, starting the music back over, hopefully. Okay, I wasn't expecting this. Let's go with this one first. Okay, another team break. Some Topps Chrome. Twins. Might be two different teams since they packaged them in two different packages. Oh, come on. Damn, it's a lot of cards. Oh, this is clumsy. All right, let's go through them. Don't worry, guys. I am an amateur at this. Okay, Royce Lewis rookie. Some of these guys I might even have forgot about. It's been like 2 years. But Royce Lewis was a big prospect. All right, let's see this other one. Oh, still, never mind.